What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so stoked to show you guys where we're at. We are, babe, where we at? Canyonlands, that's right, there she is. We're in Canyonlands National Park. We're gonna head over to Moab, maybe Arches, we'll see, but really just getting time in while we can. It is beautiful out here. This is just a spur of the moment trip, so hang out and enjoy the ride. But let's go ride. I wish this GoPro is capturing exactly how beautiful this is out here. It is amazing. I think the last we checked it was like 49 degrees. So a little tiny bit chilly as we go faster. A little bit of snow on the ground. Gotta watch out for water in the shade, but oh my God, this is worth it. This is so beautiful. What a way to break in the Dyna. Dude, how fucking badass. Oh shit. Oh, it's right there. Almost stopped. Then, this, baby! There is absolutely nothing better. I've got my wife on the back, got my beloved Dyna, and cruising in Canyonlands National Park with just the most, honestly, I don't know if you guys are paying attention, but these curves mostly been kind of banked. Oh, so much fun, dude. That's probably the funnest set of turns right there ever, dude. ATC Jeremy in the wild. Woo! So, my poor wife back there is probably freezing. We get her some Italian food. We are done riding at Canyonlands National Park. Now we're heading over to, what's it called? Pasta J's. We're gonna go grab some food before we head home. Buddy at work, JC, shout out JC. Always talked about this place, or has mentioned it a few times, so every time I come to Moab, I never go there, and this time I'm going. So let's check it out. I got the chicken parmesan, side of pasta. Then what'd you get? Neapolitan? Well, it looks good. I'll have to buy that. A couple beers to wash it down. All right, let's eat. Just got done eating at Pasta J's. It was fantastic. I got the chicken parmesan. As you saw, and Jen got a trio of some sort. Yeah. Burned my mouth. It was so hot. It was so good though. So good. They brought us garlic bread to the table. Had a couple beers. Yep. And that's it for the video. I think we're all done. We're gonna head home and enjoy our dogs when we get there. But anyways, thanks for riding with us, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Well, thanks for watching ATC Jeremy Rides, and we'll see you on the next one.